Yusek Gani, happy birthday. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. I hope you're celebrating your birthday with your families, friends, and loved ones. Thank you very much for your great work at the DTI. It has always been a pleasure working with all of you. Again, happy birthday, Yusek Gani.
Happy birthday to former DTI Undersecretary Adbulgani Makatuman. God bless you. Mabuhay ka. Enjoy your natal day.
To my good friend, the former Undersecretary of Department of Trade and Industry, Honorable Abdul Ghani Makatuman. Sana maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan, Gani, at pagpalain ka pa ni Allah sa iyong patuloy na magagandang advokasya. Happy birthday sa iyo, Yusek Abdul Ghani Makatuman. God bless at Merry Christmas!
Kay Yusek Gani Makatunan. Birthday mo, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year lahat na, Happy Valentine. Hindi naman tayo nag-uusap araw-araw. May you live a longer life to serve the people. Nabuhay ka.
Yusek Gani, I wish you long life, good health, and prosperity. Happy birthday, Yusek Gani. Salamat.